Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tech, and Qualcomm announced 3 new exciting news at Shanghai MWC. Let's get with the first exciting news. Unlocking your phone by pressing your screen is finally real. Starting summer of 2018, Qualcomm will be supplying ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that can read your fingerprint under the display. You will not seeing any fingerprint sensor at the back or the front. Vivo is showcasing the Qualcomm technology at the Shanghai MWC using a working prototype. Aside from that, Qualcomm also announced 2 basic fingerprint sensors that can be hid under glass or metal. The way these 2 fingerprint sensors works are just similar with your typical fingerprint sensor, but you will not see the sensor like the current smartphone does. The next exciting news is about wearables. The newly announced Snapdragon Wear 1200 is aimed for the entry-level wearables and LTE IoT devices. You will not see this chip powering any Android Wear smartwatch, but you can see it powering your IoT devices. Snapdragon Wear 1200 is able to connect to LTE network without consuming much power. The small size of Snapdragon Wear 1200 will allow manufacturers to produce smaller wearables and IoT devices. The last exciting news is about Snapdragon 450. Starting with the Snapdragon 450, it will also use the 40nm FinFET manufacturing process like the Snapdragon 625, 630 and 660. The octa-core Snapdragon 450 will utilize the ARM Cortex-A53 with its maximum clock speed at 1.8 GHz. Qualcomm also included a Hexagon 546 DSP, which you can find it in 600 and 800 series. You will be able to capture and play back 60 frames per second video on your Snapdragon 450 smartphone. Snapdragon 450 can now support up to dual 13-megapixel camera. You will see more and more entry-level dual-camera smartphone. Last but not least, Snapdragon 450 is now using the same Adreno 506 GPU that can be found on Snapdragon 625. Snapdragon 450 will not ship until Q4 this year, so you will not see it showing up on smartphone at least until October. I can safely assume that the latest Redmi and Redmi Note will be powered by the Snapdragon 450 and Snapdragon 660 or 630. Low end is getting powerful. That is all for this video. If you find it useful, remember to share it with your friends. If you like this kind of video, remember to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Mr. Tech YouTube channel.